So in today's video, I will give you a new method on how to make money online. Some people make over $100,000 or $500,000 per month with this simple strategy. And you can maybe copy and paste something and can always get $10 to $50 in a few seconds, and this over and over again. I think every beginner can do this. Everyone can follow these simple steps and then make money over and over again. And how this works, this will I explain you in a few seconds. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe for free and hit the thumbs up. Welcome to today's video. I think this is one of the most easiest strategies to make money online, to make the first $100, $200 or $300 and get the first online income. And I would say we can start right now. The first thing is that I type in people per hour at Google. This is a freelancer platform and everyone can use this. There are many freelancers, but not too much. So it's easier for you to rank there and get new jobs. Many people come to you. You will see it in a few seconds that people make thousands, hundreds, thousands of dollars in a simple niche where you can earn money over and over again. There are so many people who need new logos. So we go to people per hour. This is a site. I think some of you know people per hour, and I type in Logog Designs, and here are hundreds of people who make logo designs. You can go in a different niche like business design or vector logos. So there are many small niches in the big niche logo. And we have here some people who have over 2,000 reviews. And this cost €165. So in dollars, it's a little bit more. And when I calculate it, so 2,565 times 165, these are over 400,000 euros. And in dollar, these are over $500,000. With this simple logo niche. And this is not so professional, because when you have thousands of people, you can't do this on your own. When it's really professional. There are free tools, and one very good tool that I will show you in a few seconds that you can use and do the same stuff. Here's another person who have over 2,400 reviews, and it costs an average €25, or here over 1,700 reviews, over 1,400, over 3,000 reviews. This is so much money. People make hundreds of thousands with this simple logo designs. You see it here. These are logos that you can generate for free, and give the logos the customers. Everyone can do this, and I would say I will show you how you can do this and earn your first amount of money, or maybe $100 or $1,000 in the future. So the website is hedgefulshopify.com. I think Shopify, everyone knows it. There you can create online shops. And with this tool from Shopify, you can create logos for free, because Shopify wants that there are more people who make a new online shop, and so you need always a new logo. We can click here on Get Started. It's absolutely free. You can sign up here for free, and then you choose your business space. This is very important. When the people come to you over people per hour, maybe they say, I need a logo in the niche fashion or health and beauty, home and garden, food and drink, sports and rec, gifts and collectibles, tech, art and photos, services, games, children, pets. So when it's nothing from this here, we take maybe for today tech. It's a cool niche. And then we go to next, and here you choose your visual style. You have a large selection. Here are so many different designs, and we take today maybe futuristic. You can choose everything, and then you can ask the customer, is it okay? Yeah, when he say, yeah, this logo is cool, you can take this. And when he says, no, it's not so cool, you could take maybe strong, vintage, modern, natural. So it's really easy to get the customer satisfied. And then you go to next. In this step, you take your own business name. Yeah, I take now my name of the YouTube channel, so CashCrow. And if the customer, have a slogan, you can put it right here or when he needs a slogan. And then you go to next. So in this step, when you have an online store or website, then you take online store or website. Is it a business card, large surfaces, physical stores, and so on. So in this case, online store or website, then we go to next. And these are our logos. Yeah, when we go to people per hour again, you see it here. Yeah, from this guy who has over 1,700 reviews. This is the same. Yeah, you see it in the background. These are the same logos when he takes it, because he gives his customer a large selection. Yeah, and then he can say the customer, it takes this from the left side, maybe like this, or it takes this on the top right corner. And you can choose then the logo. Yeah, maybe he say, this is a cool logo. You can choose it, you can download it, and then you can send the logo to the customer. It's really, really easy, and you can do it over and over again. And when he is not so happy, you can go back and choose other category, and then you have always other designs, and the designs are very professional. Yeah, you can sell them for maybe $10, $20, $30, $50, or maybe $400. I think in the beginning, sell them a little bit cheaper, so for $10 and $15. And when you sell this maybe 5 times, 10 times, or 15 times, you can go then with a price up, so to $25, $30, and so on. And if you have more and more orders, then you go with a price always higher. So in today's example, we take this logo. I think this looks very cool, and I choose it. And then you can go to next. Here you can choose again a slogan. Yeah, when you have a slogan, or you can choose the colors or the fonts. And if you are happy with this, then you go to next. And at the end, you can download this simple logo for free. And you can do this over and over again. When you have no money, I think this is one of the simplest strategies, and you can earn so much money. You see all the people who make thousands, 10,000, hundreds of thousands of dollars here again with this simple logos. I show you that this is the same stuff. I think he makes it also with hedgefulshopify.com. Yeah, it's absolutely free. You can sign up here and you can download so many logos how often you want. You can do it over and over again and earn over and over again your money. And now I will show you a few more sites where you can sell your logos. Yeah, not on people per hour. People per hour is one possibility. So there are many more sites you can use. Fiverr is the biggest one. Also in Germany, Fiverr knows everyone, and you have so much people who makes logos here. So there are thousands of people who make the same stuff, and it's very difficult to make money here. Yeah, when you are here 5 years ago, then it's very easy, and you get today very often new orders. But yeah, you can join Fiverr, you can put your service here, but I don't think that you will sell here anything. The next site is guru.com. Yeah, this is one of my favorite freelancer websites. Everyone can use it for free. Yeah, you can sign up here and on this side. So here are many customers, but not so much freelancers. So guru.com, it's a really, really good site where you can post your job. Yeah, it's absolutely free and can earn over and over again your money with this simple strategy. The next site is upwork.com. I think here it's a little bit difficult to get new orders, but yeah, you can go also to upwork.com and log in and try your luck. Yeah, but I think Fiverr and Upwork is really hard. But this freelancing website next.com is also very nice. You can go here to see how it works, and you see always companies who are support this under more, UPS, Walmart, and so on, and offer your job. And the last website is freelancer.com. So yeah, it's in the name, freelancer. This is a super cool site where there are many customers. Yeah, you can hire freelancers, and you can go here and search for everything, and you find really good freelancers. I use it on my own. But also here are many customers, but not so much freelancer. I think people per hour, guru.com and freelancer.com are the best sites where you can start as a freelancer and make your first money online. And I would be very proud if you leave me a comment and hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel for free. I will post here daily new videos on how to make money online, how everyone can start and build an online income.